Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can see other people friend list on Snapchat. Is it possible or not? We are going to see in this video. So first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the here you can see the message icon in the bottom and select any of your friends. So I'm going to select any of my friend. Click on the friend name and here you can see that wallpaper, chat color, and there is no option. And let me click on three dots here, so you can manage friendship, but there is no option to see the friend list. So unfortunately it is not possible, and let me show you in Snapchat Plus it is also not possible. So here you can see that there is no option to see other people friend list. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.